Since NeeDohs have become very popular, I thought as a NeeDoh lover myself, I would share some tips and tricks on how to successfully hunt for NeeDohs and find one in the wild. First, before leaving the house, you should go on TikTok and search up where to find NeeDohs. Usually you'll be able to find some really random and niche places that will have them, and this is where you'll have your best success. Next, you need to make a list of all possible places where they sell them. Include the most popular places because you never know. Here are some places that I've been successful. Making your list can help you plan out your route of where you want to go to find NeeDohs before leaving. Before you start this, you will need a lot of time and money because actually finding a NeeDoh takes forever, maybe even days. And once you get a hold of one, you will just want more and more and more. Like I just said, finding NeeDoh out in the wild can be a very long process, so you're gonna want a fun drink, some snacks, and a friend to make this process be way more fun. Since this can be a very long process, you need to keep your attitude and spirits high. Even if you fail, it's okay because stay positive, you'll find one. These are all the tips that I have for you. I hope you all are successful. Happy hunting!